Hi, welcome to the We Are Researching YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to create a TikTok account on app step by step. Go to TikTok app on your phone. Tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner. Tap on Sign Up button. Tap on Use phone or email. Then you need to type your birthday. Then tap on Next button. Type your email address. Then tap on Next button again. You need to type a password for your TikTok account and make sure that it's 8 characters or more. Then tap on Next button. Thus, the process of creating a TikTok account on app has been completed. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you want videos like this to come, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like the video, comment and click the bell for new videos.